Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the segment presented by Group 3, entitled How the World Works, where we tell you about relevant topics on the world and environment around us. Today, we'll be sharing with you information about our solar system and theory on its origins. Have you ever wondered how the planets were made? How the solar system was made? We're sure you all have your own beliefs and theories you believed happened. But now, we'll be focusing on explaining a popular theory called the condensation theory. This theory was initially proposed by Swedish philosopher Emanuel Swedenborg in 1739, then by Immanuel Kant in 1755, century as a nebular theory, and then was modified and put forward again in 1769 by mathematician Pierre Simon Laplace. Aims to explain how the solar system was made through condensation.
This theory tries to explain that a giant molecular cloud began rotating at an axis, forming a flat disc-like shape that later evolved into a solar nebula and serves as the foundation for the future planetary arrangement, in which all of the planets are on the same flat planes. This axis became hot and dense, and the protosun later formed. As the solar nebula rotated around its axis, colliding and clumping dust formed planetesimals, then protoplanets, and finally planets and moons. This primordial solar nebula began to contract and eventually formed into a disk. As the disk collapsed and began to spin faster, the majority of its mass concentrated in the center and heated up, eventually becoming the sun. Planetesimals collided and attracted dust and rock, eventually forming planets and moons.
This explains why the planets all revolve in nearly circular orbits in the same plane and direction. The theory then explains why the inner or terrestrial planets are rocky, while the outer or Jovian planets are gaseous, due to the abundance of ice and gas as planet-forming elements in the disk's outer borders. We hope that you were able to learn from this segment and learn a little bit more of how the planet works. Thank you for watching. This is Group 3 Newscasting, the condensation theory. Nasruddin Farid B. Maglangit, signing out.